to my channel. So this is Kajal, and today's video is going to be a bit different, a bit personal, you all can say, because I'm going to share some of my old pictures. Yeah, that's me, and these are some of my old pictures. I know it's not that funny, it's not that embarrassing, but this is how I'm trying to document my journey from how I went from this to this. So this is me now. Different, yes. Dramatically different, also yes. Magic, no. It's not about magic. So this is what happens when awareness enters the chat. So let's be honest, there was a time when I used to think कि मुझे सब कुछ पता है, like about beauty, about skincare, about fashion, makeup, etc. एंड मैं स्किन केयर के नाम पे ना बहुत सारे एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट्स लगाती थी स्किन पे, एंड देन इट यूज टू शो ऑन माई फेस बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली केमिकल रिएक्शन होता था. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि मैं बहुत कम पानी पीती थी, एंड इट ऑल्सो यूज टू शो ऑन माई फेस, बट दैट वॉज अनदर थिंग. एंड देन आई यूज टू आस्क माई सेल्फ कि मेरी स्किन ग्लो क्यों नहीं हो रही है. फैशन सेंस, ओ माई गॉड, जो भी चीज़ ट्रेंडिंग होती थी ना, इट यूज टू एंटर माई वार्डरोब लाइक दिस. मुझ पर वो सूट करे या ना करे, दैट वॉज नॉट द क्वेश्चन, लेकिन ट्रेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट था, राइट. मेकअप के बारे में मैं जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है, बिकॉज आई लव डूइंग मेकअप सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड. मैं खुद का मेकअप खुद ही करती हूँ, बट दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. एंड द मोस्ट फनीस्ट पार्ट क्या है पता है, जब मैं मेरे स्कूल में थी, स्कूल टू कॉलेज डेज यू कैन से, मैं मेरा मेकअप खुद करती थी. सो आई यूज टू टेक एनी फाउंडेशन शेड एंड आई यूज टू अप्लाई इट ऑन माई फेस. सिर्फ मैं फेस पे लगाती थी. आई यूज टू स्किप कवरिंग माई नेक, माई ईयर्स. एंड जब मैं बाहर जाती थी ना, पीपल यूज टू से कि सिर्फ मेरा मुंह क्यों इतना चमक रहा है, व्हाट अबाउट माई हैंड्स, व्हाट अबाउट माई नेक, इट यूज टू लुक डिफरेंट, एंड दैट वाज द मोस्ट funniest thing. But here is the funny thing, that confidence was always there. I would step out thinking कि today I'm going to serve looks, but that was not the case. And honestly, your vibe and your energy matters. So one day I just looked at my own pictures and realized कि okay, चलो little improvement की ज़रूरत है, because it was not that bad and improvement was possible. And that was the most excited part, because glow up is not about hating your old self or hating your old pictures. It's all about realizing that there is always a room to level up, and I always love leveling up. So I started learning not to impress others but to impress myself. So I understood that skin type matters, ingredients matter, and consistency is also important. I used to think that sunscreen is only for the Goa trips, but no. Sunscreen is non-negotiable like Wi-Fi. Cannot survive without it, right? Makeup became less about more product and became more about better technique. Like how should I put this? Like choose the shade correctly, blend properly, and stop fighting with your eyebrows. Small changes but huge difference. And fashion, oh my god, the biggest lesson that not every trend deserves participation. If it's not comfortable, it's not looking confident at all, and that's science. And the biggest change was not your skin or makeup, it was mindset. Instead of asking, do I look like everyone else, I started asking, do I look like myself but upgraded? And that question changed everything. Glow up is all about self-awareness plus patience, and patience. Patience is very underrated. And yeah, let's also normalize this, that glow up doesn't always mean waking up flawless. Yeah, sometimes your hair says no, sometimes your skin might also say no, and your outfit absolutely not. But that's completely fine, because consistency is always better than perfection. If you're watching this and thinking that I don't know fashion, I don't know makeup, I don't know skincare, good. You're still at the starting line, and starting lines are always exciting, trust me. Everybody who look polished today once googled how to apply eyeliner properly, how to upgrade yourself from this to this. Growth is learned, confidence is built, and style is discovered. This glow up didn't just happen overnight. It took me years to understand myself better. Glow up means not from bad to good, but from random to intentional, I can say. And all you need is some research. Okay, थोड़ा सा research करना भी ज़रूरी होता है. And I would say कि you just have to adapt to a healthy lifestyle, because a good diet, a healthy lifestyle can fix 80% of your problems, trust me. and rest everything depends on your skincare, your body care, or in grooming in general. So that was all about my glow up journey, and thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe if you are new, and let me know in the comments what's the one thing you have upgraded about yourself recently, because I would love to read it. So till then, just keep evolving and take care. Bye.